You think you're staying awake, but parts of your brain are already dead. After 72 hours of sleep deprivation, your consciousness is no longer a continuous stream. It's a flickering light bulb on the verge of a total blackout. This isn't just about being tired. This is about biological structural failure. Every hour you stay awake, your brain produces adenosine, a metabolic byproduct that acts as a localized sedative. By hour 24, the pressure is overwhelming. Your prefrontal cortex, the center of executive function, begins to desynchronize from the rest of the brain. At this stage, your cognitive impairment is chemically identical to a blood alcohol concentration of 0.1%. You are effectively navigating the world while legally drunk, regardless of your caffeine intake. At 48 hours, the crisis shifts from chemical to structural. Your immune system crashes, but the real damage is neurobiological. To compensate for the lack of rest, your brain triggers astrocytic phagocytosis. Specialized cells called astrocytes begin to eat the synaptic terminals of your neurons. Your brain is literally cannibalizing its own connections to clear metabolic waste that only sleep can wash away. This triggers micro-sleeps, involuntary gaps in consciousness lasting up to 30 seconds. Your eyes are open, but your EEG shows the brain is in a deep sleep state. You are a passenger in a body that has temporarily ceased to exist. At 72 hours, the glymphatic system, the brain's waste-clearing plumbing, is backed up with neurotoxic proteins. Without this wash, your amygdala becomes hyperreactive. You lose the ability to distinguish internal thoughts from external stimuli. This is where sensory distortion turns into full-blown psychosis. The shadow in your peripheral vision isn't a trick of the light. It's your brain's failure to process visual data. You are now experiencing waking dreams, a state where the REM cycle forced its way into your conscious hours. Your brain is no longer functioning as a computer. It is a chaotic storm of electrical noise. You cannot catch up on this debt. Chronic sleep deprivation causes permanent loss of neurons in the locus coeruleus, the area responsible for alertness. 72 hours isn't a challenge, it's a state of acute neurological crisis. The science is clear. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a maintenance requirement for the most complex machine in the universe. Subscribe for more deep dives into the mechanics of your mind.